Let's discuss modulus inequalities. If this type of inequality is present, like mod of x is greater than or equal to 5, or less than or equal to 5, or less than 5, or greater than 5. That means if one side is modulus present and rest of the numbers are constant numbers, this type of number, another numbers are constant, then this type of inequality can be solved very quickly by using the property. This property is mod of x is equal to x if x greater than or equal to 5 minus x if x less than 0. This property is valid for all type of questions. But there is a special case if modulus is present one side and other side is constant number. Then we can use big method to solve this type. So next property is third one. If mod of x is greater than k, then answer will be x less than minus k or x greater than k, or we can write this answer as minus infinity to minus 5 union k to infinity if k is greater than or equal to 0. If k is greater than or equal to 0, then we can write answer as this one. Here it is important that one side is one modulus only and other side is only constant number. Then we can use this method very quickly. If variables are present, then we can apply this condition whether k is positive, greater than or equal to 0, or k is less than or equal to 0. So how will you solve this type of question? We will discuss that type of question later on. Now, how will you solve this type of question? So let's say question is solve mod of x is greater than 5. Then what will be the answer here? Use this property. We can write this answer as x less than 5 or x greater than 5. This is our answer. That means we can write this answer as x belongs to minus infinity to minus 5 union 5 to infinity. This is our answer. Now, if I give you the question, let's say 2x minus 3 mod is greater than 5. Then how will you solve this type of question? We can use this property. We can use again this property here, because here it is positive, so we can write directly answer as this one. That means solution will be what? 2x minus 3 will be less than minus 5, or 2x minus 3 will be greater than 5. I am using this property. If mod x is greater than k, then answer can be written as this one. Here it is, in between there is a or, that means or means union. So we can solve this type of inequality. So how will we solve this? This can be written as 2x less than minus 5 plus 3, or 2x is greater than 5 plus 3. So this is how much? 2x is less than minus 2, or 2x is greater than 8. So if this is x is less than minus 1, or x is greater than 4. So answer will be what? This is our answer. Or this answer also can be written as minus infinity to minus 1 union 4 to infinity. This is the answer. Now if I give you here 2x square minus 3 is greater than 5. And how will you solve this inequality? In this case, the property will be same. treat 2x square minus 3, treat it as x, and write the same function as this one, expression as this one is less than minus k or x greater than k. In place of x, write down 2x square minus 3. So this is definition is what? Mod x is greater than 5, that means we can write x less than minus 5 or x greater than 5. This is the definition. So if in place of x, here it is what? 2x square minus 3. So in place of x, here you can replace 2x square minus 3. That means if I write in place of x 2x square minus 3, so this will be what? Greater than 5. That means this can be written as 2x square minus 3 less than minus 5 or 2x square minus 3 greater than 5. So this answer can be written as what? 2x square minus 3 less than minus 5 or 2x square minus 3 greater than 5. Now simplify this. So this can be written as what? 2x square is less than minus 5 plus 3, or this can be written as 2x square greater than 8. So this is how much x square is less than minus 1 or x square is greater than 4. X square is greater than 4. What will be the answer of this one? So this will be, this is what? This will give you always, non-negative number, and it is right hand side is what? Negative number. Non-negative number can never be less than negative number. So there will be no solution for this one. So from here answer will be x belongs to 5, and this is odd. Now find out the solution for this one. This can be written as what? X square minus 4 greater than 0. Now factorize this one. So x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than 0. Answer of this one already you know, minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. Now from the first case answer is 5, and from the second one answer is this one. Now we have to take union of both. So in this there is no solution, and here it is what? Solution is this one. So if you take union of this, answer will be this one only. So final answer is what? Final answer is x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union to infinity. So this is our answer. Now next one, if you apply here equality, we will solve later on 2 modulus 3 modulus inequality. First let's say discuss 1 modulus inequality only. So here it is what? If mod x is greater than or equal to k, then solution will be what? X less than or equal to minus k, or x greater than or equal to k. Here it will be what? Close bracket. Here it will be what? Close bracket. If k is what? Greater than or equal to 0. And this is fourth one. If mod x is greater than or equal to k, then x belongs to all real number minus infinity to infinity if k is negative number. If k will be negative, then solution will be what? All real number. And if mod of x greater than k greater than 0, then solution will be what? Minus infinity to infinity minus 0. Solution will be this one. This is the first, this is the property, this is the property, and this is the property. If mod x greater than or equal to k, then solution will be x less than or equal to minus k, or x greater than or equal to k, or we can write answer as this one. If k is what? Greater than or equal to 0. If mod x greater than or equal to k, then solution will be x belongs to all real number if k is negative. If mod x greater than 0, then solution will be x belongs to minus infinity into infinity minus 0, because 0 will not satisfy this inequality and all other numbers will satisfy, because if you substitute here negative or positive number, it will be always greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0, and positive number will be always greater than 0. This is always true. So only solution which do not satisfy is x equal to 0. So now solve this one question. Solve mod of 2x. Let's say simple one. Mod of x is greater than or equal to 5. So how will you solve this one? Use this property and write down this one. So this can be written as what? X less than or equal to minus 5 or x greater than or equal to 5. This answer also can be written as what? Minus infinity to minus 5. Here equality, then there will be close bracket. There is union, or means union. So this will be 5 to infinity. So this is the answer if question is this one. Now if question is like this one, mod of 2x minus 3 greater than or equal to 5, then what will be changes? Write down here in place of x, here it is what? 2x minus 3. So in place of x, write down here 2x minus 3. Here what is? 2x minus 3. Now simplify this one. If 2x minus 3 mod greater than or equal to 5, then solution will be what? Use this property. Use this property and write down. Treat it as x. So x is what? Less than or equal to minus 5 or x greater than or equal to 5. In place of x, you have to write what? 2x minus 3. So this can be solved as this one. This is 2x is what? Less than or equal to minus 2, or this can be written as 2x greater than or equal to 8. So this is what? X is less than or equal to minus 1, or x greater than or equal to 4. That this answer also can be written as minus infinity to minus 1 union 4 to infinity. This is the answer. Now if I write here 2x square minus 3 greater than or equal to 5, then how will you solve this type of question? Then in place of x, here it is what? 2x square minus 3. Now again use the same property. In place of x is what? 2x square minus 3. So in place of x, replace here 2x square minus 3. Here also 2x square minus 3. Here also 2x square minus 3. So question will be what? This one. Question will be this one. 2x square minus 3 less than or equal to this. 2x square minus 3 greater than or equal to 5. Now simplify this one. So this will be what? This will be x square less than or equal to minus 1, or this will be x square greater than or equal to 4. So answer will be what? This one. From this one, x belongs to 5, because x square can never be negative value. So positive number can never be less than negative number. So answer from here is what? 5. Now from here, answer will be from here what? This can be written as x square minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So this will be x minus 2 into x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. That means answer will be what? Minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. And answer from here is what? 5. Answer from here is what? 5. So we have to take union of both cases. In this there is no answer, and in this this is the answer. So if you take union, answer will be this one. So answer for this one will be what? Answer for this one will be x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union 2 to infinity. So this is our answer. Now if I write next one, 2x if I write next property as if mod of x is less than k, if mod of x is what? Less than k, then x belongs to what? Minus k to k if k is what? If k is greater than 0. If k is greater than 0. That means k is greater than or equal to 0. Now next one, if mod of x is less than k, then x belongs to 5 if k is negative number. If k is negative number, because this will give always non-negative number, and if k is negative, then there will be no solution. Example of this one, let's say solve this one. Question is what? Question is mod of x is less than, let's say, 5. Then what will be the solution of this one? Use this property, then this can be written as what? X is less than minus 5 to 5. Minus 5 to 5. This is the answer. So this answer can be written as what? X belongs to minus 5 to 5. This is our answer. Now if solve this one, if mod x is what? Less than minus 5, then what will be your solution? Since modulus x can never give negative value, and here it is what? Negative value. So non-negative number will be, or non-negative number can never be less than negative number. So answer for this one will be what? X belongs to 5. Now next, solve this type of question. Mod of 2x square minus 3 is what? Less than 5. Then how will you solve this type? Let's say here 12. How will you solve this type of question? Solution will be what? Use this property. So this can be written as what? This can be written as 2x square minus 3 will be less than 12 and greater than minus 12. Use this property. Now simplify this one. This can be written as what? This can be this. If x is what? X lies between a to b, then I told earlier that if x is what? X lies between a to b, then this can be written as x greater than a and intersection x less than b. Then use this property to write down here. This can be written as 2x square minus 3 greater than minus 12 intersection 2x square minus 3 less than 12. Now simplify this one. So this is what? 2x square is greater than what? This is minus 12 plus 3 intersection 2x square less than 12 plus 3. So this is what? 2x square is greater than minus 9 and intersection 2x square is less than 15. So this will be what? This will be x square greater than minus 9 by 2 intersection. This will be x square minus 15 by 2 less than 0. This is what? Negative number, and x square can never give negative value. So this will be always true. Or you can write as this one, x square plus 9 by 2 greater than 0. So 9 by 2 plus x square will give non-negative number. So this will be always positive number. So this will be true for all real number. Intersection how will you solve this one? X square minus root of 15 by 2 whole square less than 0. So this will be what? X minus root 15 by 2 in one bracket. In other bracket, x plus root 15 by 2 less than 0. So since solve this one, so answer from here will be what? Minus of root 15 by 2 to root 15 by 2, and here is what? X belongs to all real number. If you take intersection between this and this, if you take intersection, this will be always true. This will be always true for all real number. I am writing here in above one. So this can be written as what? This can be written as, this is true for all real number. And answer for this one will be what? Answer for this one will be minus of root 15 by 2 to root of 15 by 2. Now if you take intersection between this and this, answer will be this one. So final answer of this one will be what? X belongs to root minus of root 15 by 2 to root of 15 by 2. This is the answer if you take intersection. How will you solve this one? You can write it x square minus root 15 by 2 whole square is less than 0. How will you solve this? Already we have discussed this type of question. X square minus root of 15 by 2 whole square less than 0. We already discussed this. This can be written as x plus root of 15 by 2 into x minus root of 15 by 2 less than 0. So answer will be what? Minus of root 15 by 2 to root of 15 by 2. So this is the solution. This is the final answer of this one. Now next property is what? Next property is, if you write here less than or equal to k, then what will be solution? Solution will be this one. If k is what? Greater than or equal to 0. Now if mod x less than or equal to k, x belongs to 5 is if k will be less than 0. This is the property. Next property. This is the next property. How will you solve this type of question? I am writing this property here. Next property is what? Next property is, if mod of x less than or equal to k, then x will be less than or equal to minus k, or x greater than or equal to k if k is what? Greater than or equal to 0. If mod of x less than or equal to k, then x belongs to 5 if k is what? Negative number. So this is the property. This is the property of the modulus function. So how will you solve this type of question? Question is what? If mod of x is less than or equal to 5, then how will you write this type of question? Solution. Answer will be what? Using this property, x is what? This answer also can be written as what? Sorry, this will be what? This answer will be here. Answer will be here. X less than or equal to k and greater than or equal to minus k. If k greater than or equal to 0. If mod x less than or equal to k, then answer will be what? This one, not previous one. So answer will be x lies between minus k to k greater than or equal to 0. Or this answer can be written as what? Minus k to k. This is if k greater than or equal to 0. So this is the property. Now if mod x less than or equal to 5, then use this property. So answer will be what? X less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to minus 5. That means answer can be written as what? Minus 5 to 5. This is the answer. Now if next question, if solve 2x minus 3 mod less than or equal to 5, then how will you solve this one? So use this property again. So this can be written as what? This can be written as 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to minus 5. Solve this one. Send this 3 to this side and this side. So this can be written as what? 3 plus 5 and here it will be minus 5 plus 3. That means we are adding 3 to the inequality. So this inequality becomes this. So this will be how much? 2x less than or equal to 8 and greater than or equal to minus 2. That means x will be what? Minus 1 to 4. So that means answer of this one will be x belongs to minus 1 to 4. This is the answer. Now if I write here, now next question is what? Next question, if I give you 2x square minus 3 less than or equal to 5, then how will you solve this type of question? Again use same property, this one. So this can be written as what? 2x square minus 3 less than or equal to 5 and greater than or equal to minus 5. Then how will you solve this? Add 3 to all the inequality. So this will be minus 5 plus 3 less than or equal to 2x square and greater than or equal to what? This side 8. So this is how much? This is minus 2. This is minus 2. So divide by 2. So this will be x square less than or equal to 4 and greater than or equal to minus 1. So how will you solve this type of inequality? Write down it as x square greater than or equal to minus 1 intersection x less than or equal to 4. I am writing here. Next one. Inequality is what? We have this one, x square less than or equal to 4 and greater than or equal to minus 1. This is coming. So how will you solve this one? This can be written as what? X square greater than or equal to minus 1 intersection x square less than or equal to 4. So what will be answer of this one? X square plus 1 greater than or equal to 0 intersection x square minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So answer from here it will be x belongs to all real number. X belongs to all real number because x square plus 1 always gives positive value and positive value always is greater than 0 for any x. So this can be written as what? This can be written as x square x minus 4 into x plus 2 less than or equal to 0. So answer will be what? Minus 2 to 2 intersection x belongs to R. So if you take intersection between these two, answer will be how much? Answer will be x belongs to minus 2 to 2. So this will be our answer in this case. Now if I write like this one, 2x minus 3 mod is less than or equal to minus 5. Then how will you solve this type of question? If I write 2x minus 3 mod less than or equal to minus 5, then what will be answer for this one? Because this value can never be negative. Modulus can never be negative and right hand side is what? Negative value. Non-negative number can never be less than negative number. So for any x it will not satisfy. So x for answer for this one will be what? X belongs to 5. So this is the answer. Now next one, if there is a modulus, if this type of thing is present, 2x minus 3 mod, let's say greater than or equal to 3x plus 4, this type of thing is present, 2x minus 3 mod is greater than or equal to, let's say 3x plus 4, then how will you solve this? And let's say 2x minus 3 mod minus 7x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 4, let's say. How will you solve this type of inequality? Now we will discuss in next class this one.